Guys, so we're going to Katoomba now. No, we'll go cut Siosi's hair first. Then we'll go to Coles, pick up some kebabs, pre-marinated chicken, some bread rolls, just some stuff for a small barbecue for two. And then we'll be off. I'm so excited.
Yeah, excited.
It smell like a full of excitement. Oh, baby, we should do our Q&A right now.
Yeah, you okay? Can understand already?
No, seriously, you read me the questions.
Yeah.
This is so much better. We've got nothing to do. We've got nothing to do.
Yeah, I'm going to form of iPhone lane what I want to kilo for lane cover.
Let you all pat, let you all pat. Or something like
That's all my advice. Hi everyone, here we are. Mawakulungale Blue Mountain. Here we are. 10 minutes lower ma isime mal no mai highway yang ile Blue Mountain by 3 hours or 49 minutes. Kaya si mamau kira fo mere makeo ai ma holiday le fakasme pele kalo le amang pa ia kai ko ru mai ma ua au ala ko per maka vale o le Blue Mountain ma o ke kai au foi ma fa kau ma me avi oi mere makeo makafa oi ma me fai mapa pa kiu yo ma me ai ma drink ia ma fai ma okero le ala look nice and gay yes ya mura kai mo ko malava ko mo ak ngisi ya ka fo mangis me fo ba o no Blue Mountain ya alofa mo ko bye o mai ile Lake George Lake George, Lake Lenga Fawea. They find more Lake George. It's so beautiful.
It's so from the midnight to sunrise. You love it.
Oh, my singing. Alele yo le Blue Mountain. Basi mai singa e alu lava mau kele toi ole le fasu una minuta na tonu lava le ilunga le Blue Mountain ya malo lava le foi toi tosu una minuta tonu lava le mau tere ko ile me oro ya le Blue Mountain ya. Oh.
Goodness. Eugene, it's a woman.
Yep, Katoomba.
I'm absolutely exhausted, but we're finally here. It's a pretty cool room. It's got aircon. Yeah, it's quite small, but I really do like it. And they even gave us complimentary wine bottle and 2 little chocolates. And they gave us unlimited Wi-Fi voucher, so it's really good. This is the Katoomba Town Centre Motel. But it took us like almost 4 hours to get here, and we didn't stop. I'm so tired. We're gonna go see the Three Sisters later on. Wow, I don't know what the hell that is, but màu xanh lai rồi. Wow, it is so nice. So beautiful. That's the train that I want to go on. That is so cool. This is the Queen Elizabeth lookout. So right behind me is the Three Sisters, or right behind us is the Three Sisters. We forgot to bring our sunnies and we forgot to put sunscreen on. And I'm using Siosi's phone, so the quality might be bad, but it is so beautiful, honestly. It definitely was worth the 4 hours. Most of the trip was uphill, so I was driving in gear 3 most of the way because it was just so steep. We were hoping to go on one of those train things that go from one side to another that we showed you before, but we don't know where to go. This is Katoomba, guys. Nice shady spot to rest because I don't know if you can see, but my face is getting burnt. Siosi's face is getting burnt. How stupid of us to not bring our sunnies. It's all your fault, babe. It's so nice out here, honestly. I just wish we had a better quality camera so that you could actually see, because some of it is just mist. Just these damn flies. These damn flies. And also because my phone is just overheated and it's just turned off. So this is alright. Siosi's camera's pretty good. It'll do. Back on the trek. We're like walking incline 600 and I'm like struggling to get air into my lungs, and this guy reckons lay a few bombs and farts. It wasn't until I smelt it I realized that I'm full like freaking fart air into. Yuck! Really disgusting. So for the past hour, I spent just taking the. Oh, this is so nice. Taking videos off our phone from the lookout, and Siossi had like an hour nap. I haven't slept yet. He napped like he was the one that drove. I don't even know how to do this. What do we do? Oh, we need a lighter. Can you go ask him for a lighter?
You usually light.
Yeah.
Why?
You have to light it because it's gas. Okay, this was not our ideal barbecue idea. I just pictured like a big open layout of barbecues like at a park. There's like snails on this. It's like almost 7 o'clock. It's still pretty light, so we've still got some good a few more hours, I guess, of sunlight. We just got simple stuff from Coles that was already marinated and just some bread rolls. But let's hope that this actually works, because otherwise we'll be going home with it tomorrow. I've been wondering how the hell I'm going to get these stuffs off. I'm going to put some foil on. It's about almost 7 and it looks like it's going to rain tonight. So we're trying to be as quick as we can. Might have just been easier to just dine out, but it was quite cheap. Ew. I don't know if y'all used to do this, but this is chips in a bread roll.
Just want to finish this barbecue. Just want to finish barbecue and go inside and have a warm blanket.
Buyo. Vai yung kuing ali. Foi fela pa yung.
So far.
Hello, take my strong hand.
So yummy.
It's not lamb, baby, it's chicken. No, I'm not really ready. No, I promise. Siossi is still cooking the barbecue. He is taking too long. I don't have my phone, so I have to use the back end camera of Siossi's phone because it's better quality than the front end because he wrecked it. But it's getting pretty dark and we're still trying to cook our chicken. Vai. He's so silly. Wakambo, how's our chicken going?
Delicious.
Yeah?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Put a little more you got.
Yeah, my lord for you are there.
What are you eating? Nó là phải đi tin nào. Barbecue rồi mua mà đi cà phê. Ya mà đi vay ya mà bu. Full of shot over there.
Didn't fit. Just so matey.
Yeah.
Kukun mele you. Hi. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.